Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to turn off offline mode Google Docs on computer. So how to turn off offline mode Google Docs on computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to Google Docs on your computer or laptop. And this is the initial display of Google Docs. Just point the cursor to the top left of the screen. Here there are several menu icon options. Tap this three-line icon. Now several options will appear. And tap the Settings menu. Now you will enter the Settings menu. Here there are lots of options. In the Offline menu section, tap to enable it. When finished, tap OK. Turning off this feature functions to deactivate offline mode in Google Docs on the computer, so that documents can only be accessed with an internet connection. So that's it, tutorial how to turn off offline mode Google Docs on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.